Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to the channel where we break down financial hacks that could save you in a pinch. Today's topic is a bit controversial: how to overdraft a debit card on purpose in 2025. Now, before we dive in, I have to stress this is for educational purposes only. Overdrafting means spending more money than you have in your account, and it can lead to hefty fees. Let's explore this carefully so you can make informed decisions. First off, what exactly is overdrafting? It's when your debit card transaction goes through even if your balance is zero or negative. Banks used to cover these automatically, but in 2025, regulations have tightened, so not every account allows it. To do this on purpose, you need to opt into overdraft protection. Start by logging into your bank's app or website. Look for settings under Account Services or Overdraft Options. Here, you might see choices like Standard Overdraft or Linked Accounts. If you choose to enable it, your bank could cover the difference up to a certain limit, but they'll charge you a fee, often around $35 per transaction. Why would anyone do this intentionally? Maybe you're in a bind and need to cover an emergency expense, like gas for a job interview. But here's the catch: fees add up quickly. For example, if you overdraft $50, that $35 fee means you're actually out $85. Yikes. In 2025, some banks are introducing overdraft grace periods where they might give you a day to deposit funds before charging, so check your specific bank's policy. To minimize risks, always monitor your balance through apps or alerts. Set up low balance notifications to avoid surprises. And remember, alternatives like a credit card with rewards or a small line of credit might be safer options without the steep fees. In conclusion, while overdrafting on purpose can be a temporary fix, it's not a smart long-term strategy. It can hurt your credit and lead to a cycle of debt. Always prioritize building an emergency fund and budgeting wisely. If you're struggling, talk to a financial advisor. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you next time.